Hello guys and welcome to the TechGlob YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run an application automatically when you start Windows. First of all, I'm going to show you the application. Okay, you can see here these are the apps installed in my system, and your favorite app or any working kind of MS Office, Outlook or OneNote, any apps you can assign. When the logon screen come, the apps will automatically run. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, I'm going to press in the keyboard Windows button and R, okay, and type here shell colon and startup. In the startup box, nothing in there, so I'm going to add apps, and again I'm going to press Windows and R. In the dialog box, type shell colon and apps folder, and without space you have to enter. And these are the apps I'm going to add in the startup folder. And the first app I'm going to drag to the startup folder, Outlook. And for the testing purpose I will show you now the Photoshop, Notepad, and my favorite app, OneNote. Remember one thing, note that adding programs or files startup may affect your computer's performance and startup time. It's recommended to only add essential programs or files that you frequently use. And I'm going to add one more apps, the browser, our daily use. Now the Microsoft Edge, I'm just dragging in there. Okay, now I add total 5 application. Then I'm going to close this module, apps folder, and these are the startup folder. Not only in the apps, if you want to add the any kind of files also, suppose I'm using the employee details file, okay, I want to continue the next logon, and I'm going to show you the Excel format, and this file I'm going to continue the next logon. Okay, I'm going to close this. I'm just drag the file into the startup folder, and after that you have to restart your computer. I'm going to restart, and hit enter. And now you can see after login screen, the apps is automatically started. Now the Notepad is open and the Microsoft Edge. Okay, and please wait until all the apps is open. And now the OneNote is opened, and Outlook opened, the Photoshop. And now you see the Excel format also is opened, and these are the way how to adding the apps, the startup program. Like this steps you have to follow. Try. And thank you for watching this video. Please like and share, subscribe the TechGlob YouTube channel. See you in the next video.